Hi and welcome back. My name is Emily and I'm so glad that you wanted to spend some time here. For today's project, I am creating a fall card using some summer products. This is one of my favorite dies ever, and it's called Foliage Frame, and it was released in June from Trinity Stamps, and I wanted to use this one again, but this time create it with some fall colors. So my idea for this project was that these were leaves that had been falling down from the trees, and they were covered with all the beautiful colors that you get with fall. So it was some red, green, orange, pink, brown, and I just mixed and matched using my blending buddy brushes from Trinity Stamps, and I am loving these brushes. I'm using them so much. I know if you've been following me that I have told you previously that I am obsessed with these because they are perfect for every project. I love them with stencils. You see the little tip on them? It's perfect to get into all those nooks if you have an intricate stamp set or stencil, or like this when you have the leaves here that you don't want to damage. As you can see, I left all the pieces inside just to make it easier to both know where they are and also not to ruin the die here. I could have painted this. I've done that in the past before I cut this frame, but I thought this was easy enough to just paint it when it was all cut out. So after that I spritz it with some clear water just to get my blending a little bit better. You can see it's quite splotchy, but it's okay because you will not see that when I am taking out all the negative pieces here. And I just love how these turn out. And I didn't know exactly what to do because I love the frame so much, so I was hesitating on what to do with the rest of the card. But I took the mini coffee cup sleeve and decors that was released last fall, and there are a couple of die pieces there that could create a pumpkin, and I cut that out of the rest of the paper that we created a frame with, so it had the similar colors. And I'm sorry that I didn't get that on video because my camera actually stopped recording and I didn't notice, so I am apologizing about that, but it was quite easy. I just adhered it together and cut them out. So now I, without any dimension, I adhere this down to a, like, I don't know what this color is. Is it brown or more like a paper bag brown color? I thought it went well with the frame that we created. And for the sentiment I went with Friend. I had tried many others, but I went with Friends, and this is also a die from Trinity Stamps, and it comes in the envelope biller, and I love that it has the shadow. I cut that out of vellum and then some regular Nina 110-pound cardstock on top of that. And I think that created also a nice focal point. But this sentiment I raised up with some dimension, and the pumpkins I did a combination of the glue and some dimension just to create some interest. And for my sentiment I wanted to keep this real simple, and Trinity Stamps has an amazing stamp set that is called a sentiment for almost every occasion, and I just stamped that in black on top of a white piece of paper. And then this is a trick that I love. I just colored it in with my blending brushes here to make it coordinate with my background. But you will see in the close-up pictures that I actually finished. When I finished this recording, I didn't like how teal that looked with the blue on the edges, so I went in with some darker green just to make that be a little bit more cohesive with the background, if you will. So I coated this with my Nuvo, no, this is not my Nuvo, my Spectrum Noir, sorry, glitter pen, and I absolutely love that little shimmer, and it makes a huge difference. I also use some embellishments, and I will have links down below for everything. Here I'm using my camera just to make you probably, I don't know how much you can see, but some of the sparkle on the pumpkins. So that was it. If you like this video, I would love it if you could consider giving it a thumb up, maybe leaving me a comment, telling me something, what do you love for fall maybe, and also subscribing to this channel if you haven't done so yet. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!